Welcome to another episode of EPC Insights, where we basically simplify complex project challenges and explore how technology is transforming the construction and the infrastructure landscape. Today's episode is one of the most important ones yet, wherein we'll be checking ERP, the digital backbone of an EPC project success. Whether you're running a multi-billion-dollar construction site or managing procurement and logistics from the office, this episode will help you understand how ERP systems can completely transform the way EPC projects are executed, tracked, and delivered. Let's dive in. So first, let's check what is ERP and why does it matter in the EPC industry. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, and in simple terms, it's a system that connects all the moving parts of your business so that everyone's working off the same real-time data. Instead of isolated teams juggling their own spreadsheets, emails, and WhatsApp groups, ERP acts like a central nervous system. Whether it's project planning, materials, vendors, HR, or finance, everything is synced, tracked, and manageable from one place. Now imagine that level of coordination inside a large-scale EPC project. As we know, engineering, procurement, and construction are three massive worlds, and ERP brings them all together. Now let's check what core ERP modules can help EPC companies stay on track. So here's what a good ERP system offers to the EPC companies, ranging from project management that allows you to set milestones, assign teams, track delays, and get live updates on task progress. Procurement handles vendor quotes, compares prices, issues purchase orders, and tracks delivery timeline as per your own requirement there. For the inventory, you'll be able to know what's available on site and what needs replenishing without last-minute surprises. HR and timesheets allow you to allocate staff, manage shifts, monitor site attendance, and track labor costs automatically. And lastly, we have the budgeting and the cost control that allows you to set up budgets by task or project phases, monitor your spendings in real time, and get early warnings when something's going off the track. Hence, each of these modules are connected to each other. So if procurement is delayed, the project manager sees it instantly. If a site burns more labor hours, finance get alerted automatically. So how ERP aligns timelines and milestones? So one of the biggest headaches in the EPC industry is regarding the missed timelines. Here ERP gives you a structured way to break your project into key milestones, assign deadlines and responsible people, and last but not the least, track real-time progress from a dashboard. You no longer have to wait for site updates. ERP gives you the live visibility whether you are in the office, at a client meeting, or on another site. Hence, you get automatic alerts for delays and reports that help you fix bottlenecks before they turn into disasters. Now let's see about the budget forecasting and cost control without the guesswork. Basically, cost overruns are another silent killer in the EPC construction, or what we say as EPC industry. And here ERP system helps you to compare actual versus the planned spending anytime. You'll be able to set alerts when a phase is about to cross budget, and you can forecast future costs that are based on current trends. Let's say your steel cost just went up by 15%. Here, ERP shows you how that affects your overall project cost and where you might need to rebalance. So this isn't just accounting, it's real-time proactive cost management. Coming to the another point, that would be real-time collaboration between teams. As you know, it's another powerful aspect of the ERP that allows everyone to be on the same page. So, site engineers can log task updates from the mobile devices, procurement can view stock levels and delivery status, finance can track spend per milestone, and the management gets dashboards that summarize it all. This means faster decisions, fewer miscommunications, and a lot less he said, she said. So, ERP isn't a luxury for the EPC companies anymore. It's a necessity. So, if you're still running your projects through disconnected tools, you're wasting time, increasing risks, and probably losing money. And here, ERP will allow you to gain control over your timelines, will give clarity on the costs that are included, and would provide a complete visibility across your project life cycle. So yes, that was much for today's podcast, and this wraps up for today. And if you have been wondering why ERP is right for your projects, or you're facing issues like delays, overspending, or constant miscommunications, we can help you explore what the right ERP setup could look like for your company. Thanks for tuning in, and stay connected for our next episode, where we'll be talking about the ERP's role in supply chain and vendor management. Until then, stay smart, stay on time, and keep building better.